Aring ator matui me Bible text yang room sa Revelation chapter 4 verse 10 and 11 phong kami kabag kasang mati tuija thara ina ta ka tuiguina kazingra mui kokarom ungbam khongni kabam arar makuta mati jina ngakumsham aina kadang mawailak la ringjing gaja ungbam khongni kabam jile korom athumna athumui kuyhonji ungbam khongwi mangali haita hai Laka hidata lasai, itumi bro hovere, they kamatay, kayaka gapang shop, sampanga yilaka, higala jila ot psychoro na sakwisera, psychoro na we kapaning anya soxera, kala sakwisera, hiver dina.
Make up the very leaning shimidlay. Kakaniali, she ocha, kala church we katana being, kala razan kai psychorally, iwi. Ringapa Ninkashi Pongshokli. Ajiwi Dipong Duguina the joy of worship, yeah. Kokrum we ringapa. And ishi Bible Pami Venala. Mtaya Pami Here, Revelations 4, chapter 4, verses 10 to 11. Like in a Achi 4th Advent Sunday, worship with Maram. Kokrum maram hi ngzek hangmilo or remind salo the churchly burden jirazangwa. Kokrum hi what is the real meaning of kokrum? What is kokrum we ringpa hi churchly nana remind samilo the burden jirazang. And she wine in ache burden hi kuiliga hun kamang salala ishi church nga ishi pingli share sangaitli. And a picture, worship we picture, kokrum we picture in a chili take we Revelations 4 verses 10 to 11 jili. 24 magada mati arabing elders, 24 elders pingjina. Atumui pam kongji nota hailaga, kalatumui sinakui honji horda hailaga, the one and only king. Aunga kachangkat aunga chui apaili haida laga korum laga lasai jina. So I see that as a wonderful picture of worship. Talarin happening kuya. Itum we kajawi umpam kong lay. Kajawi crown lay. In a penning sagnay churchly. Iwi kalanawi crown. Sinakui honji kikle aja. No, bum kongji kikli. In ji question ji sakla kaina queen saknay, pning saknay. I got question ji itumui at the back of our head, high like our surviving say. Worship kikla in a definition paying, eh? My definition take some mangai, definition see. Like a take some bang like in a ninja makeup kaji in a kapang. First, declaring the worth and greatness of God. And a very we hakamaha, very tekamateji, shaki sa, pong shok, yang, chili worship hoi dang. Yes, I agree. Number 2, transferring the credit to God, transferring every credit to God. Oh, very iwi katem, iwi tangkamai, iwi kashang, iwi katongaji, nana kamila kai, yang, nana kamila, iwi kik kamalem ne join a katonga credit hi, nana koda. That is worship. And it's a point in a quilga, young laga palaga. I agree fully, like in a ninjang lagaway. Talala Bible nakihang, Bible nakihang jagaitum, Horzak the Sampang Pamame, John chapter 4, verse 23. Okay, Chimavarangaka. Worship he is another 2 definitions saying a young cover. Lag samang jili la lag samang jena matang ne worship ji lag samang jili enclose some ne worship hi jili lang mai kare da thei very we take come dai ji nana apam kachi le sal nana pong shop sa nana kachili work sa sala you nana kachili pam sala kachili work sala kachili pi sala you can give the credit to God in anywhere. Then John chapter 4 verse 23 likhinga tam jili jishu na hangpa mai worship ana hangai Samaritan woman li ana khangzika tamjila chi context Samaritan woman jili well clear well later and hanga Samaritan woman pray now atam hi radle atam hi arinai verily sok mi verily khorum giji mi bingji kamushungaina kala manglaina khorum ra laga hiktha khokrum hi ina ning changmai kap very ning changmai kap ka je khokrum nei da ina ena rina pening laga machubing laga what exactly is that ina pening what exactly is that or how do we worship God in spirit and in truth kada da verily mangla aina kala kamushungaina khorum klai da pening ji manglain kokrom hi itum hi outer body experience alga itum spiritual being jina vareli kokrom ji chila or itum na khamushung tui khamtui kahanga tam ji chila ta ina muchukai chi sa sala bai chim sa sala bai thalala ishi story akhamang ina yang say what is or how do we actually worship in spirit and in truth in a psychology churchly Genesis chapter 2 verses 1 to 19 umaram saknai he kathar story lam ningle in hangiji hila kathar story ki nimle in aje here just reminder as a reminder mikumo sa to the very we take kamtai yang very na ilis kisami how ji mlai shon dai jina en ji aje in a reminder sa the churchly in worshiping in truth and spirit ji in la katiu ka 1.8 side le Genesis chapter 2 verse 1 to 19 liang ka the sacrifice of Isaac Abraham na Isaac le sacrifice sawi story ne ena ji pacha da pada ka ba vare na hangai Isaac irau no mira your son in English pa hi thame iwanga thame wa your son your only son whom you love ali kui laga Mount Moriah le balaga you go and sacrifice for me and horzak ta idam theiba mai Abraham na kahangji very kahangji na laga sat kadong ka tagar sa ji kui laga sat phokawe and 3 days journey in the hangko 3 days journey jili araina mental pictures are Abraham ning jili what is going on in Abraham's mind in imagine Eva I'm a very imaginative person and in imagine sai and imagination hili had a some raw with of Abraham na very nana ili hyaka sangdang rain sakai le iwi ning jang mai gap ka je san ji nana ili mi khami hila hyaka sangdang rai laga nana kada da ava khali naumera khali satat lo da kada da hang bai crate question samrawi and a very chap chada jishu na Peter lik kahang da kutumshi na ili leshila Abraham na yes over in the leshi first time second time na ili leshila Abraham na second time yes ava right in the leshi third time na ili leshi chaw leshi kachang kat na leshila and actually third time jili maybe Abraham na maybe he got a revelation mayang avavra ina iwi kuihonji Isaac onor moyang iwi ungbom kongji Isaac onor mo ina Isaac bali marmai Isaac bali leshi me karo mo kala I have replaced you with Isaac yes Lord are he iwi kuihon iwi Isaac chi nei no alterly kuirarat le ko de and then horsak the sampang pamame on the third day ana hedang raubing jili okay raubing kani nanikin ji hipam salo in Isaac Mount Moriah la kalaga really khorum rata and Bible studies sa word studies salaga commentaries palaga that is the word worship appears for the first time in Bible dang jili and in a pning laga ji ring palagai first time appear sa jili Abraham na worshiping in spirit and truth ji matala kain thei ga ji kada ki thei ko jili worshiping in truth and spirit really mangla kala kamushungaina worship kasahi, it demands a sacrifice. And that's my first point. Worship in spirit and in truth demands a sacrifice. It demands your Isaac. It demands my Isaac. Iwa Isaac targasaye virvali korum gijili. Come on, Mark chapter 7 verse 6 to 7. Mark chapter 7 verses 6 to 7 li hangai le jishunala. Worship hi virvali kokrum hi natumna come on no more chai mangai na verily khayak shinai. Natum more chai mangai na verily masod lak sanai. Natumoi uklung iwi ningva virvawe na talakain na lay hayreita. Kamor mangai na kahang bam ningla. Abraham na he realized that worship needs or demands sacrifice. And aje pating sagnay Isaac iwa Isaac kiba iwa Isaac ki no way Isaac ki or kiba in a thing sagnay. Worship demands sacrifice. And aje we tipong hi the joy of worship sadway yes ringpatam liva verily masod milaga korumbai. Yes, it's very natural. Talala itumui Christian joy, itumui Christian ringpahi. It should not be bound. Itumui Christian ringpahi ringpatamangli kokrum ringpatamangli ringpa china matang baimne. Chithai kava kachot kacham kathai chare kashokatam jiliva. Where will it go? You will fail there. Then ina acha hangai ba. Second point. Second point mawarak lang ina humor amahang sengai maramaka ina hangai. Your life is an open book. My life is an open book. But you katam na kasaw ina ari thesis la kapila ka submit side ina ktiu ka twist sangai lewa. Your life is a research paper da ina hangai le. Your life is a research paper da. And a research paper jili kada kikle jiga itumna research paper jili kapila ka itumna point thala kaya ka bukain sa mangkava itumna acknowledge sa by footnotes mi de. Footnotes mi laga footnotes in a book chili point sana ko. Itumna this is not my idea. This is from this book. Footnotes in a point sana. Ena kachot atam kharatharan kachap atam kharatharan kathai kacham kharatharan. Remember, the difficult circumstances are footnotes to worship God. Resource haka unawo. Verily korum, verily tukmaida korum kawai, verily to worship Him better, to know Him better. Verily it becomes a resource for you. It becomes a footnote for you, for me. We lagay na worship word study sadamjali. We cannot worship what we don't know. Yeah? We cannot worship what we do not know. Chimashung laki. No, very we greatness. Very na tek medina the kamor mine, more jai mine kahangji. No. As long as you do not very greatness, very take kamdeji experience masarang dain dan kadada. How can you just say kamor mine, more jai mine kahangji? It's the example Mark chapter 7 6 we 7 li kahang da haide jishuna. No more jai mine very live masoji kate. No uklung va talakan tuere iwena. Ena very ara ishi psychology in a hang very difficult circumstances kugratam jili. Itum ningmate waise. Itum na footnotes iwi life here research paper sadu ida difficult circumstances footnotes akha onaire da china ring park sada paning kuise machuk kuise Bible le tik kabisangai le humoram ya Vivrana Mary li kala Martha li ashi brother Lazarus we kachot Lazarus we thikai we kachot chare tangsake. Why? Just to show that Jesus Christ, God is a death deliverer, death riser. Yeah? Vivrahi ka thile le yu gisha bar vivrana ita marthai ne mere le footnote chak samangai la next pada ka na khungde yang ka ba Shadrach Meshach Abednego athom jili Daniel wing so na bing jili vivrana furnace fiery furnace mai jili jang sakai experience sang sakai daga kashok tharan athom ji footnote chak samangai footnote sikhi God my God mi kang dai na mathira ka ja tam jili atom na shok laga they pronounce they declare to God they declare that my God your God my God is a fireproof God footnote chak samangai iduna paman kha again Daniel Vivrana Danieli ka thaya shankhui denjili zang sakai experience sang sakai laga kashok tharan footnotes ak samangawi what is that footnote thaisare my God mi gumo na mathira ka ja tam jili ana Daniel na lion with danger shok laga my God is a lying taming God you vivrahi shankuli la tim sa God akhne Peter sorry Paul li prison li suffer sang sagai ka thai ka cham la samang sagai chain la sambang sagai thalala after deliverance sagai deli footnote sak samangai Paul what is that footnote my God is a prison shaking savior prison shaking savior my God is a chain breaker and Israelites we maram ngase cover Israelites bengli Rivrana hora laga Red Sea mi gumo na mamkan ga bai kachak latan mamkan ga bai apam jil hora laga just to show that God is a sea splitting God chata footnote samangai ra in imagine sarga chu situation atam jili atam na they will not atam hi in imagine sai atam hi situation ji Rivrana deliver sakni atam jili Rivra we footnotes sampanga atam jili atam ji ka tham rao khle atam ji they will not be simply standing they will atam hi char la dalaka Rivari shout la salaga Rivari khorum le de in sit sangai Israelites now being ji sea part shamutru nga pak khaya Rivra kana ida kazat adam jili yes khayong yong le re Egyptian bing na ngomai da yes thar ning jili chari shoklak ya va Rivra na hi shamutru khangpa ka Rivra khalmo ya iwi credit cycle iwi ka them iwi thangkamai cycle i kikamning nei no ite kamdai hi hila kai da chi pning gwil ka chatli re Mary and Martha Mary jina hi vare hi Jesu Christ he is a death raising God kathilil yugisha ba vivra khane chuwaina ana sagmai kap kajia thauji sakhai laga vivra wa phai Jesu wa phai neugami jine mi khangdai bing mathaim re kwanji ka Mary and Martha mangna footnote se samangamo God is a death raising God footnote ena in hangkai baba short ajiba shela kai namtu kiji ngran kai ni ena God kachot tharan kachot adam hina footnotes vareli worship sak vai vareli tukmai de thaik vai varehi kibak le da thaik vai khrasak ne eni singra kachot kacham kathai chare kasho katam jili mai be sorrowful Paul na hangai le be sorrowful be very sorrowful but at the same time rejoice kwaina because it is as arnu kachot chi it has become a footnote it has become a resource to worship God more riva arjana next time ever challenge sangai next time kachot khara taran yes chot lo chare ta lo thalala ring phalo again push sangai ning shilo kachot chi khrawang ning shilaga really oh be ready for that suffering be ready for that to get the footnote rivahi kibakla that in a new light theme vai khrane rivahi kada the spirit and kada the truth and core mukra da chi wang khrane da che da phaning laga ready salo de in hang ngai ena FIFA yang certainly se sangai World Cup chili yang laga ina advertise jili Yuvraj Singh kala Amitabh Bachchan na jang laga Samsonite we kita advertise aiwa generally okay whatever thara in we the bigger headline sangai jile the bigger the test the bigger you become the bigger the test the bigger you become tested like Samsonite yeah and in a pning laga chinwo kachot chungmai kachot hakmai yeah rivali worship sakhwai chungmai chi ring bramla iwang ring pana ko isingra iwang chin ning lum nai kachot chungmai vareli masot khwai vareli khorm khwai material chungmai kai khawa library la le re tik kachot kachang tik samangai de ya kai khawa book ahmang le re fine that's okay but achi tumna take vai take ji hi vareli masot khwai sorry worship kachot kacham atam hi it's a footnote it's a footnote to worship God takang inache and okay laga misunderstand masai say jinga in a message kahang hi kachot wivang ngai lo da khamning ko kachot chili ara kachot mang jina vareli worship sak fai wang resource ara chu wang haida kachot wang ngai lo da khamning nei that's a misunderstanding in a gang baba kachot chi rare yeah but be ready with that worshipful mindset be ready with that worshipful mindset and you will get footnotes you will keep on getting footnotes like no paper no life to research paper aside mina no research paper patharan ara it's not you thara he footnotes he keep out oh rivra it should point to your God rivra he lying God taming lion ne god footnotes rivra je ting mili things rivra he mai fuina mai na kangsha ba rivra khanai chi kada footnotes si mili things no research paper ka badam jili footnotes si khang adam jili rivra li thei me rivra li mthing sak ngaim la rivra li that's the plus point you know in again ara summarize sangai just 2 points here kokrum he it demands it needs something it demands a sacrifice and achi noe iwi Isaac chikhida kibada it demands a sacrifice really in a verse itum namdain baga verse 2 liva hada hango English to namdain take your son your only son whom you love and arma Abraham na ning teilega over the crown that I'm wearing is not worth it it's not worth it the altar li gadaran verse 12 verse 16 thai samang vibrana hange nana no his son your only son sacrifice sawida nana sacrifice kasa sagi jing ran hauda I will bless you and verse 16 le chap samang your son your only son jilim thang yangui ka one phrase is manaude whom you love chish man khaila jijin wo itumai ground ji itumna leshinaida kichi bakle itum ground ji itum Isaac whom we love who is your Isaac whom we love Isaac ji kiba nana leshim kappa ji no ground ji kiba laga inara Revelation 4 chapter 4 verses 10 to 11 jili I want to bring you back ok thui ji hi thai ji ne kichi jawe ungpang khong le sare kichi jawe kuihon le sare sina kuihon in again question salong ai nawi kala iwi ungpang khong kala nawi kala iwi kuihon sina kuihon ji khigle ki pakle Abraham na thaising khuilaga khokrum hi sacrifice ta ka sai ta itum hi ache itumui crown of glory itumui kaikava crown of intelligence later kaikava crown of entrepreneurship later crown of business kachijawe ka them ka ena ishi miracle lion jili ngaragi saiwo kachakla tu mai de miracle red sea ji kachakla tu pangsha baina cross sagi saiwo isingra nana cross salala nana one lion ling rashap le no pang shop chena one lion li are Hercules na nemen lion li bear hen na sat kai da nana sat chap la there are other more lions. What will you do about that? Dena ache chinowa. Let's sacrifice that crown of glory. Itum Hercules crown kleji. Oh vivra declares say. Vivra no we greatness declares say. Thalala credit chi alimi sir say. It's not worth it. Your crown of glory, your crown, your temporary crown is not worth it. Vivra korum kichi. Abraham na teaching kui kaya da itum na teise. Let's sacrifice. Let's remember that worship demands sacrifice, and let's itum we kui honji sina kui honji pare we apaili. Jishu Christo apaili horsang say. Agar Jishu Christo li itum we sina kui honji horsang kai dili. 24 elders na itum we umbam kongji notha laga kokthi laga amai ji bow down sa laga itum we crown, atuma identity, atuma kingship, hordalaga, Jesu Christo apeli hogdat haran. Itum psychorally, the joy of worship is some great as it's. Look at the joy of worship. Vivrali kokrum adam hi. It's every time. Even the sad times, even the difficult circumstances sinila. Worship chi enhance such a way the gang ina chi hang ina. Remember, achi na rimpase rejoice say remember say. Suffering hi footnote sa kanai ituma bang. Worship sa kanai. Verily time ik vai footnote sa kanai. Then achi Christmas bang ina iva Christmas mang la mahangay na. Achi Christmas rahauda tichi la mahangay na. Achi ina habokta itum hi. Let us 24 elders na kasada. Itum we crown of glory. Itum na leshi makeup kaje ningchang makeup kaje crown ji Jishu Christo apaili Jishu Christo manger jili herda laga let and I believe you siak sanai nana herda thanghon nana horda thanghon I believe in siak sanai. It's my prayer that you will receive the joy of worship and you will truly say akamor mainam ningla I rejoice in my suffering pon na kangda. Come on, mine am ning large baja. Then experience how you can say now. I can say. He ring shilala ring shiatam le ring pasha paida. Chi come on, mine am more chai mangan kaham ning daraje. Uklung lila uklung jira ara really nganayauda. Cheda hang shap kaina. Itum aching tor psychorally shakoi kai tamkoi kai che may it all be for the glory of God. All the credit goes to God.